So before digital drawing, whenever we were doing everything analog, we would typically use a big roll of tracing paper like this, and we would roll it out over the person's arm, and we would make marks with a Sharpie of all of the important landmarks on the body. So the top of the shoulder, the front and the back of the armpit, inside the bend of the arm, the elbow, typically this bone and this bone. And those would be, for me, those were my kind of mapping areas. So then we would take that map and we would literally do a full scale drawing and then use that to make our stencils. And that was really a great way to plan sleeves and to lay them out, because you're drawing to scale, you know exactly where every piece is going to fit, and everything should tie together if you made an accurate map. Nowadays, what we tend to do is we'll photograph our client at different angles and we'll stitch those together like so inside of an app like Photoshop or Procreate, and then we'll draw to the panels. And that's great for visualizing, and it's great for the client to see what the piece might look like on their arm. But the trouble with it is you don't really know how this panel is going to transition to this panel, or how this panel is going to relate to this panel, because when they're laid out as separate photographs, it's hard to see where they actually meet.